Camping with kids. Tips and activities for family fun in your hybrid camper. Camping with kids is a fantastic way to create lasting memories, foster a love for the great outdoors, and enjoy quality time as a family. With the comfort and convenience of a hybrid camper, you have all the amenities you need to ensure a fun and enjoyable camping experience for everyone. In this article, we'll explore some valuable tips and exciting activities to make camping with kids a memorable adventure. 1. Choose a family-friendly campground. When planning a camping trip with kids, it's essential to choose a family-friendly campground. Look for campgrounds that offer amenities such as playgrounds, swimming pools, hiking trails, and organized activities for children. Additionally, check if the campground provides amenities like clean restrooms, laundry facilities, and a camp store for any last-minute necessities. A well-equipped and family-oriented campground will make your camping experience more enjoyable and convenient. 2. Pack essential camping gear for kids. Before hitting the road, make sure to pack essential camping gear for your little ones. Some must-have items include comfortable sleeping bags, camping chairs, flashlights or headlamps, bug repellent, sunscreen, and appropriate clothing for various weather conditions. Don't forget to pack extra clothes, towels, and toiletries for the kids, as they tend to get messy while exploring nature. Having the right gear ensures that your children are comfortable, safe, and well prepared for the camping adventure. 3. Involve kids in the planning process. Get your kids excited about the camping trip by involving them in the planning process. Discuss destination options, activities they'd like to do, and let them help with packing their belongings. Kids feel a sense of ownership and anticipation when they are actively involved in the planning stages. You can also encourage them to research about the campground, local attractions, and wildlife they might encounter. This involvement will not only build excitement but also foster a sense of responsibility and curiosity. 4. Plan engaging and interactive activities. Camping provides numerous opportunities for fun and engaging activities for kids. Plan activities that allow them to explore nature, learn new skills, and have a great time. Some popular camping activities include hiking, biking, fishing, scavenger hunts, nature walks, and stargazing. Encourage kids to participate in campfire cooking, where they can help prepare simple meals or roast marshmallows for s'mores. Engaging in these activities fosters a love for the outdoors and creates cherished memories for the whole family. 5. Create a kid-friendly campsite. Make your campsite child-friendly by setting up a designated play area. Bring along games, sports equipment, and outdoor toys to keep the kids entertained. You can also create a cozy reading corner with camping-themed books, coloring supplies, and puzzles. Setting up a kid-friendly space allows them to have their own area to play and relax, making the camping experience more enjoyable for everyone. 6. Embrace nature education. Camping presents a unique opportunity for children to learn about nature and the environment. Take the time to teach them about the local flora and fauna, identify different bird species, and discuss the importance of preserving the natural environment. You can go on nature walks, collect leaves or rocks, and encourage kids to observe and ask questions about the surrounding ecosystem. By instilling a sense of wonder and respect for nature, you're fostering an appreciation for the environment in your children. 7. Keep safety a priority. While camping is all about fun and adventure, it's crucial to prioritize safety, especially when camping with kids. Teach children about basic camping safety, such as staying close to the campsite, wearing appropriate footwear, and being cautious around the campfire. Set boundaries and guidelines for exploring the campground, and always keep a close eye on younger children. By establishing safety rules and practices, you can ensure a worry-free and secure camping experience. 8. Capture and preserve memories. Camping trips with kids are filled with precious moments and memories. Don't forget to capture those memories through photographs or a camping journal. Encourage kids to write about their experiences, draw pictures of the wildlife they encounter, or collect mementos from their camping adventures. These memories will serve as a wonderful keepsake and allow your family to relive the joy and excitement of camping for years to come. 9. Connect with other families. If possible, Try to connect with other families camping in the same campground. Kids often enjoy making new friends and engaging in group activities. Organize a potluck dinner or a campfire gathering where families can come together and share stories and experiences. This social interaction adds an extra dimension to the camping experience and provides an opportunity for kids to develop new friendships. 10. Embrace the unplugged lifestyle. One of the great benefits of camping is the opportunity to unplug from technology and reconnect with nature and family. Encourage kids to disconnect from screens and embrace the beauty of the natural world around them. Engage in meaningful conversations, play games, tell stories, and simply enjoy each other's company. The absence of digital distractions allows for quality family time and a chance to appreciate the simplicity and serenity of the camping experience. Camping with kids in your hybrid camper opens up a world of adventure and quality family time. By following these tips and engaging in exciting activities, you can create lifelong memories and instill a love for nature in your children. From exploring the wilderness to roasting marshmallows under the stars, camping with kids is an experience that will be cherished for years to come. So, pack your bags, gather your family, and embark on an unforgettable camping adventure in your hybrid camper. The great outdoors awaits. Camping is our happy place.